Hey, welcome back again. Today we would be discussing to find squares of those numbers which are in their hundreds. It's very simple. The last two places of that number would be the square of the last two digits. The first three places of the result would be the number plus the last two digits and the carry if it is there. Let's find out. For example, we need to find out square of 104. So the last two digits are 04. So the last two places of that number would be square of last two digits, which is 4 into 4, 16. The first three places would be the number, which is 104, plus the last two digits, which is 04, plus carry. As there is no carry, so we will add 0, which gives us 801. So 10816 is the answer. Simple. Let's have one more example. Let's find out square of 135. So the last two digits of the number would be square of 35. So 35 square would be 25. 4 into 3, 12, which we discussed in our previous tricks of multiplying number ending in 5. So 25 would be over here. Now our second part would be take the first three places, 1, 2, 3, which will be 135 plus the last two digits, which is 35, and any carry. Carry is 12 over here, 12, which gives us 2. When is a carry? 8, 1. 182 is the answer. Easy. Let's have one more example. Let's find square of 153. So total 5 places would be there. The last two digits would be square of 53. So square of 53 would come as 53 into 53, and we will do cloud multiplication over here, which gives us 25 space 303 is a carry, 2803. Last two digits would be 03. Taking the second part, we will add 153 plus 53 plus 28, which gives us 8 and 6, 14. 1 is carry, 3, 2, 234. So this is the answer. Practice it and you will be genius in finding the squares which are in hundreds. For more tricks, you can log into indiaedu.com.